Yeah, day morning. It's August 21st. We're here on B&C section today, and this is the August 21st edition of Big Dry's Big Fish Fishing Report. Today we've got Jerry.
Hello.
And we got Jim. They'll be fishing with us today. Let's go see how we do. Yesterday we fished a big Chernobyl ant, about a size 14, and fished a size 8 Fat Albert. Worked really good. Isn't that great? Yeah. That is way cool.
Those things will rip up the dog too.
Oh man, yeah, they're big. They're big. All right, Jim's hooked up here. It's a nice fish. The second fish of the day. We're doing pretty good. Yeah, that's looking like a nice little one there. Nothing big yet, but they are starting to eat.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right, I'm over your head, big guy. You're on camera.
Now you're ready to do trick rapid again. This is like our e-ticket ride for today. Yeah, guys, give me a little wait to the right. Just move your feet over there. Perfect. There you go. That'll work for me. I'm gonna try to stay away from this sideways over here, so see how we do. Wasn't it? That's pretty fun stuff. Yeah, the butt's a little heavy right now in the rear for some reason. Take a picture upstream.
You're not talking to me, are you?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Well, you got the camera.
Yeah.
Take a picture upstream.
Upstream.
Okay, that should do her. All right. Jerry's just got a nice one here. Wow, that's a good fish there, Jim. Look at the size of that thing. That's a good one.
Yeah.
There we go. That's a nice fish there, Jim. That's definitely.
Guys, look at that.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Way to go.
That's definitely Big Dry, big fish. All right. Just caught another nice fish here. Jim did. Hey, that's
Green River trout.
Yeah, that's a good one.
We like them.
All right. Nice fish. Look at this good fish here that Jerry just caught. Nice one, dude. Like it. Oh, that's a hog. Just keep going. All right, Jerry just got himself a nice fish. Look at that. That is definitely Big Dry's big fish. All right, another day on the green. Fished really good today. Used that brown Chernobyl and the Fat Albert once again. Afternoon was a lot better than the morning. Got a lot more eats today. Thanks for watching. This is Bruno Nicolai, Big Dry's Big Fish.